Hi there, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the Auger motor on your LG refrigerator. When energized, the Auger motor turns the auger, pushing ice cubes down the chute into the dispenser. If you have been experiencing problems with your ice dispenser not working properly, it might be time to check or replace the Auger motor. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more hands-on appliance repair tips. Let's get those ice cubes flowing again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a magnet, and a multimeter. And remember, safety comes first. Always unplug your refrigerator or switch off the breaker before starting any repairs. To get to the Auger motor, open the left side French door. Next, pull down the lever and open the ice door. Slightly lift the ice bin and remove it. There are 3 screws that hold the rear panel in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws. Hold the bottom of the panel and pull it out. Unplug the connector at the top. Look at the back of the panel assembly. There are 3 wires connecting the motor to the smaller plug near the top: gray, black, and white. Trace the wire to the large connector plug. Next, we'll do the live voltage test. We are going to use a multimeter to do the live voltage test. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. With the left French door and the ice door still open, locate the top connector and insert the probes into the second top, which is black, and the first bottom, which is gray, openings from the left. Set the multimeter to the volts AC, letter V with the wavy line, and plug the fridge in. Then place the magnet on the top of the left side door hinge cover and slowly move it to find the spot where the interior lights turns off. Press the ice dispenser button. If the meter reads about 120 volts AC and we know that the motor is not running, the Auger motor is defective. If there is no approximately 120 volts on the meter, the dispenser PCB should be replaced. Then remove the probe from the bottom opening, gray, and insert it in the second one on the bottom, white. Press the bottom again and look for about 120 volts AC. If there's no proper voltage, the Auger motor is doomed. No voltage, check the dispenser PCB and Auger run capacitor. Place the mounting panel assembly on the table. Disconnect the 3-wire plug and free the harness. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the ground screw out. Turn the bracket over. Remove the single Phillips screw and slide off the Auger yoke bar. Take out 2 more Phillips screws and remove the Auger motor. This is the old Auger motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new Auger motor from the back. Align the mounting holes and secure the motor with 2 Phillips screws. Slide on the yoke and also secure it with the Phillips screw. Turn the mounting bracket over. Attach the ground wire to the motor with the Phillips screw. Place the harness in, plug the connector, and lock it in. It's ready to go inside. Plug the top connector. Slide the mounting bracket assembly up under the retainer and push it in. Secure the assembly using the Phillips screwdriver. Before installing the ice bin, make sure that the position of the coupling on the ice bin matches the position of the Auger motor yoke. Install the ice bin, close the ice compartment door and latch it. Close the French door and plug the fridge in. Thanks for joining us today as we tackle the Auger motor replacement on your LG refrigerator. We hope you found this video helpful and that you feel some pride in your success. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or visit AppliancePartsPros.com where you can find the parts you need. Most orders even arrive within a couple of days. Once you have completed your repair, we would love to hear about your experience. Feel free to share how it went in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy repairing.